Hi there, this is Crystal, and today I am unboxing my Citrus Twist kits from February. I have the Life Crafted kit, the Traveler's Notebook stamp, and the scrapbook add-on to share with you. I haven't looked at any of these. I have seen some sneaks, so I'm very excited to dig in. Let's start with the Life Crafted kit. So as always, it comes in this really handy little pouch. I use these pouches for all sorts of things. It's super handy. Let's see if I can get it out of there. Ooh, there's the little, this is the Love Stories kit. So that's the little title card for the kit. Very cute. There's a stamp, of course. Very cute stamp with love notes. I have a good heart, but this mouth, full of heart. You're my person. Love begins at home. Another day, another story. This looks a lot like love. And I shall love you always, always, always. And then there's this really cute little heart and another little heart, and then a label as well. So it's super handy. Sorry about that noise. My cat is being ornery. Let's look at the papers next. Okay, so there are 6x8 papers. These are all exclusive to Citrus Twist. So there's this really gorgeous stripe pattern, a floral, beautiful colors, a really cool geometric and kind of teal, pink, and purple. I always love papers that have dictionary print on them. They're just universals, super easy to use. I use them all the time. I like this too with a cork and like a little notebook page there. See, am I too close? There you can see it. Another floral, mint polka dot, a ledger with a beautiful day at the top. I really love this. It's a beautiful pink color. And then a dark pink geometric, another polka dot, and I don't know if you can see this, but there are little rainbow stripes in that pattern. Super adorable. Blue triangle print and this gorgeous pink and red heart print. I love this. So those are the papers. There are also 4x6 cards. So there's this one. It says, life takes us to unexpected places. Love takes us home. I really like that. And then this kind of teal pattern on the back. And then this one, I love this floral, and you could have it anyway, but really love that. That's beautiful. And then that same floral on the back. Then of course there is the bookmark. That is a 3x8, I believe. It says, in a world where life can be unexpected, sometimes things just work out. Very cute. Now let's look at the 3x4 cards. Okay, so these are all double-sided as always. So there's this heart pattern with that same floral in the center. Very cute. And on the back, it just has recorded at the top. This one says love and feel the love on the back. Your good things happen. Love is real. We will be okay. Currently loving. Love this life. And this really adorable kind of file folder pattern. That same heart print, I love that. And this is a good story. I really like this one. Hear the love with quotations. Pretty little butterflies. I have found that if you love life, life will love you back. It's okay if all I did today was survive. Very applicable for some days. Rules for a good life. Can't we all just get along? That's cute. And then see the love. Oh, that one's the same on both sides. So I'm not sure if you noticed, but there were 3 that kind of matched. Let's see if I can find them here. Oh, right here. So just hear the love, see the love, feel the love. All 3 of those kind of match. That would be cute on a single spread. And then of course there is the label sheet and some really bright, pretty colors this month. And then we also got this large, what is it called? A tag. That's what it is. It's a large tag, which it looks like maybe 4 by 8, I'm guessing. 4 by 8 looks about right. And then I'm so excited about this. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that the Citrus Twist Puffy Alphas are my absolute favorite. And this month we got gold. I am so excited. I'm gonna try not to hoard these because I can feel my instinct already is to hoard them, but I want to use them. So they're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. And then of course, puffy heart stickers as well. Also so stinking cute. A whole sheet of them, which I'm very excited. So we've gotten a few here and there on some other puffy sticker sheets, but this is a whole sheet of stars of hearts. Very excited to use those. We also got some little chipboard pieces. Let me just take these out of here for you. So there are hearts and circles in mint and pink, and they have little gold dots on them, and some of the circles have little gold hearts. They're really, really cute. Oh, and there's a couple white ones too. Very, very cute. Love those. A long time ago, Studio Calico had a set of chipboard hearts with, I think they were pink, and they had gold dots on them, and I hoarded them forever, and I think I finally used all of them up, so I'm excited to have some more of those. There's also 2 ephemera packs actually. So one is like the normal one we get with cardstock die cuts, and then there's this one that is acetate. So let me show you the cardstock one first. Here is the back. I'm not going to take all of these out, but I'll let you see what's there. There's some really, really gorgeous things in here. I really like this "be gentle with yourself" phrase there. There's some tags, some little phrase strips, a little scallop border with hearts, and lots of butterflies. Very, very cute. And then the acetate one. So these, you can see they're a bit brighter, which is very fun. And of course, they're all going to be see-through. Very cute. I like all these little circles. Those will be fun to add. And a whole set of numbers. That's pretty awesome too. All right, so that is the Life Crafted kit for February, the Love Stories kit. I also purchased the Life Crafted Traveler's Notebook stamp set from this month. I really love this kind of banner with the flag shape at the bottom, and then there's the little kind of stitched looking border to add to it. Of course, it has coffee, which was the first thing that drew my eye, which basically meant I had to get it. But it says things like "on a creative mission," "this is the best part," "this here now," "made for greatness," "this is my kind of day," "coffee," "anticipating." It's all about to get real good, fun, positive energy, and let me get some of that. Yeah, so I really like this. I'm excited to use this one. And then finally, there is the scrapbook add-on for this month. So let me open this up and show you what's inside. I just couldn't pass up the bright colors in this kit. I was super excited about some of these pieces. There's some of the newer things from like Pink Fresh Studio and other brands, so very excited. So let's start with the papers. That will kind of show you the color scheme and the tone for the kit. So do I have them? I think I might have them. Oh, okay. This is from Shamel Head in the Clouds. This is Let's Sign Up. So it has all of these little ticket shapes on the front side, and the back side is butterflies in blue and pink, and a really pretty rainbow stripe border strip as well. or branding strip. That's what I was looking for. So this is very book themed as well, which I love. Of course, I'm going to be able to use that easily. And then there is another book themed one. This is also from Head in the Clouds. It's Happily Ever After. So it has this kind of fairy tale print on this side, which I honestly don't see myself using, but on the back side is all of these library cards, which I will definitely be able to use. So very cool. The next one is from La La Love by Crate Paper. This is Be Mine. So it has a heart print on the front side, and then the back is this pink and red stripe. Okay, this one is from New Day by Dear Lizzy, and I love this print. I'm not a huge floral person, but this, it looks vintagey to me, like a vintage sheet or something, or like a couch my grandma would have had. And I love it. I think it's just gorgeous. So this is Spark Your Soul. And then on the back side is just this really simple kind of dotted circular pattern. I'll hold it up closer so maybe you can see it a bit better. Okay. Another one from La La Love. This is In Love, so it's a cut apart sheet. I really love these tags. Those are going to be fun to use. And then on the back is just a pink and red stripe. This is another one from La La Love. So this is Heartbeat. So again, hearts on the front. This is a bit more Valentine's themed, but then on the back is just a pink, another pink stripe. So can definitely get lots of use out of that. This is from Jen Hadfield, Along the Way. So on this side is a kind of tone-on-tone green print, and then a really beautiful floral on the back. This is another one from La La Love. This is Amour. I love these little like cafe scenes. They're really adorable. And then the back side is a pink with red print. It's a lot like that 4x6 card that was in the Life Crafted kit. So very cute. And then of course you always get some white cardstock as well. So those are the papers from the kit. We also get an alpha. So this is a set of puffy thickers, and I'm not sure what collection these are from. It might be the Chamel one. I'm not entirely sure, but they're just white puffy thickers in kind of a scripty font, so very cool. And then from Pink Fresh Everyday Musings, that's one of their new collections, a set of chipboard frames, which I don't think I've ever had, so I'm really excited to try these. I can see how I might do lots of fun layouts using them. We also got from Journal Studio, this is the Heidi Swapp Journal Studio, a set of puffy stickers with little icons and little phrases. We get the Dear Lizzy enamel dots. I think these are from the new collection from New Day in bright colors, really fun. And then finally, an ephemera pack from Crate Paper's La La Love, and I'll show you the back so you can see what all is in here. So lots of pinks and reds, of course, for February for Valentine's Day, but still things that are definitely usable outside of the holidays. So really pretty tags, lots of little phrases. I like these a lot. Okay, so that is the scrapbook kit and the Life Crafted kit for February. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this unboxing, and I hope to see you all back here very soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.